Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you with the knowledge and skills to navigate our website with ease. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that's crucial for all our users: how to post a new listing or edit an existing one on our website. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time visitor, stick around because we've got you covered. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is visit our website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. We have a quick and easy registration process waiting for you. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly dashboard that gives you access to all the tools you need. To post a new listing, simply click on the Post New Listing button from the top of the page or select Submit Listing from the dashboard page menu. This will bring up a form where you can enter all the details about your listing. Start with a catchy title that grabs attention and accurately represents your offering. Then it's time to showcase your listing through captivating photos or videos. Remember, high-quality visuals go a long way in attracting potential customers. Once you've captured your audience with stunning visuals, it's time to provide all the essential information. Fill out the details, such as the price, location, size, and any unique features that make your listing stand out from the crowd. Be sure to be as thorough and accurate as possible, as this will help potential customers make informed decisions. Now, what if you already have a listing on our website and need to make changes? No worries, we've made it super simple for you. Just log into your account and head over to the My Listings section. There, you'll find all your active listings neatly organized. To edit a listing, select the one you want to update and click on the Edit button. Within the editing interface, you can make changes to any aspect of your listing. Update the description, add or remove photos, adjust the price, or tweak any other details you wish to modify. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting the editor.
I've been using this website for years, and I have to say, the process of posting new listings or editing existing ones couldn't be any easier. It saved me so much time and effort, and the response I get from potential clients is fantastic.
We love hearing success stories like that. Our goal is to make your experience seamless and hassle-free. Whether you're an agency manager, a model, or someone building up her space in the industry, our website is designed to meet all your needs. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you're now equipped to post new listings or edit existing ones like a pro. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is just a click away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy listing.